Hi, this is Praveen Kumar. The content I have brought you today is about an update which we are making to our channel. Few people gave me a feedback that it would be more better if I explained more on each and every facts. So if I am increasing the content which I am bringing you in the videos, there is a need to increase the duration of each and every video. So if I am increasing the duration of each and every video, the concept of the channel changes. Initially the concept was bringing you facts within a minute, and so I named this channel as Facts 1 Minute. And if I am supposed to change the concept of this channel, there is a need to change the name of this channel, right? So what I have planned is to change the name of this channel from Facts 1 Minute to Just Minutes. Yeah, I liked that name, so just I kept it. I hope you also like it. By the time you are seeing this video, the name would have been changed from Facts 1 Minute to Just Minutes. So this is the update which I have brought you today. I have brought to this channel. So not only facts, we are going to discuss about science, technology, geography, astro, and even travel. And don't worry, the duration of the videos will not be that long. I'll be trying to produce videos in a short duration. It will no longer be a minute, but the videos will be in a short duration. So this is the update I have made for this channel. So don't forget to subscribe to Just Minutes. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.